Hello friends, my name is Sujata Satalgar. Today's date is 14 May 2022 and today's Viva topic is SCP. What is meant by SCP? SCP is a string constant code, and a string constant code is the programming is a word of the programming language in a string constant code, and a string is the sequence of character. It's a not sequence of character. It is a used to the compiled use the object and a string only. For example, a visit brand of the optional account of the abstract, and is a string constant code is a SCP, and S1 is equal to Raj, and second one is a string S2, and it is Raj, but is a SCP and directly call is a call by reference and value by reference. It is a two types, and call by reference is a value called to the reference, and value by reference is a value checked to the reference, and is a sequence. It is alphabetically as the information in the same address and is number, and a city identifier is the mark is the same, and information is a provide asks from the ordered, and it is simple. This is ordered by the sequentially, but it is string is a Java, and check the without sequentially, and without making of the command, and the string is a cannot to the check override the string constantly in abstract of the sequence, and is a represented of array of character, and character with the character of the string of the character, and a string class used to the created and a string object and a predefined immutable class, and a presented of the Java util package, and it is also is a consider of the data. We cannot the consider of the string constant code, and is a type of immutable means is a cannot be the change, and is a memory. Java is a divided three part: heap memory, stack memory, and a string constant code. In the Java, that is the dedicated memory of the location, and where the string gets represented, it does not allocate of the memory location, and for the string sequence as a declaration is the syntax of the string, and is a finally class is the object of the class, and it is a sequence of the character, and it is the interface that it is a used to the represented and a string buffer, and a uses of the class implemented, and is a reference data type of is not the primitive data type, and it is a programming Java cannot used as a reference type of variable, and a reference type variable declared of the reference, and it is object refers, and for example variable interface in object the concat hello world, and a hello world directly data is a refer, and it is a handle the string data in Java, and a need to the object in the string class. It's a string literal new keyword, and by convert to the character array sequentially, and a Java, and a string literal in Java use in the created is a literal, and literal the character of the double system. Double count, and a string literal is the always is the part of the method area, and is a method area. It is a literally string is the concat, and SCP is a part of the method. Is a Java is a conversion and SCP, and is a oral SCP. Oral SCP is a fixed size, and it is a method area in heap memory, and a memory in a SCP is the represented, and it is a where is a create literal Java JVM character string already exist of the string constant pool, and JVM uses the same object and a memory, but if the string does not exist and a string constant pool, and the string object placed in the pool. That's all about today's topic. Thank you.